Greetings, health enthusiasts. Welcome, Longevity 8 TV. To today, we're diving into a topic that impacts so many lives: cancer. But don't let that word intimidate you. Instead, let's think of this as an opportunity to arm ourselves with knowledge and nature's bounty. The world around us offers a plethora of foods rich in properties that not only aid in preventing this disease, but also play a significant role in the healing process. From the humble garlic to the vibrant berries, each food item holds an exciting secret to be unveiled. But remember, while these foods are beneficial, they are not a surefire cure. They are meant to be part of a balanced, health-conscious lifestyle. Now, are you ready to embark on this fascinating journey to discover the top 10 anti-cancer foods? Welcome to, and let's harness the power of nature for prevention and healing. Before we delve into the foods, let's briefly understand what cancer is. A diagnosis that can often carry a heavy weight. Cancer is not just one disease, but a collection of related diseases. At its core, cancer is the uncontrolled growth of abnormal cells in the body. These cells have the potential to invade or spread to other parts of the body, disrupting normal body functions. This abnormal growth typically stems from damage or changes to our DNA, our body's genetic blueprint. When these changes affect genes that control cell growth and division, cells may become cancerous. Understanding cancer helps us appreciate the significance of our dietary choices. A balanced diet rich in certain nutrients can contribute to maintaining our body's defenses, potentially preventing these abnormal cells from taking hold and growing. Now, let's explore how certain foods can be powerful allies in the fight against cancer. Our first anti-cancer superhero is cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, kale, and Brussels sprouts. These green warriors are armed with compounds such as sulforaphane, which studies have shown to help prevent and slow the growth of cancer cells. So next time you're at the grocery store, be sure to load up on these powerful veggies. Next we have berries, nature's sweet and tangy delights. Berries, including blueberries and strawberries, are bursting with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. These natural warriors have shown promise in reducing cancer risk and inhibiting tumor growth. So not only are they delicious, but they're also working overtime to protect your health. Moving on to turmeric, the golden spice that's been a staple in Eastern medicine for centuries. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, is a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Research suggests that it may help prevent and treat cancer by interfering with cancer cell growth. So, let's spice things up a bit, shall we? Next up is garlic, a humble yet potent member of the onion family. Beyond its culinary uses, garlic houses a compound called allicin, which has demonstrated anti-cancer effects. It works by inhibiting the growth of cancer cells and reducing the risk of certain cancers. So don't shy away from a little extra garlic in your meals. Last in this segment, but certainly not least, is green tea. This soothing beverage is rich in antioxidants, particularly catechins, which have been linked to a lower risk of various cancers. Green tea also has the ability to inhibit the growth of cancer cells. So why not swap your usual cup of joe for this healthful brew? That concludes the first half of our top 10 list. Now let's move on to the next 5. Fatty fish, like salmon and mackerel, make their appearance on our anti-cancer menu. Brimming with omega-3 fatty acids, these aquatic marvels have been linked with a reduced risk of certain cancers. Intriguingly, they may even enhance the effectiveness of cancer treatments, adding another layer to their superhero status. Next, we turn our attention to tomatoes. More than just a salad staple, tomatoes come packed with lycopene, a compound that has shown promise in reducing the risk of prostate cancer. Here's a fun fact. Cooking tomatoes actually increases the availability of lycopene, so feel free to enjoy them in a variety of dishes. Now let's talk about leafy greens. Think spinach, kale, and other vibrant, nutrient-rich greens. These plants are loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which may help protect against various types of cancer. The key lies in their ability to prevent the formation of cancer-causing substances. So go on and add a handful to your next meal. As we move along, we find nuts and seeds like almonds and flax seeds, adding a crunchy twist to our anti-cancer lineup. These tiny powerhouses come packed with nutrients, fiber, and healthy fats. Not only can they help reduce inflammation, but they may also decrease the risk of certain cancers. So don't shy away from sprinkling a handful on your morning oatmeal or yogurt. Finally, we arrive at mushrooms. But not just any mushrooms. Certain varieties like shiitake and maitake are the stars here. These fungal wonders contain compounds that have demonstrated anti-cancer effects by slowing the growth of tumors and boosting the immune system. Mushroom soup, anyone? And that rounds up our top 10 anti-cancer foods. But wait, there's more to this story. Remember, while these foods are amazing allies in the fight against cancer, they're not standalone solutions. Incorporating them into a balanced and diverse diet is key to harnessing their full potential. So let's keep exploring and discovering the power of food in our health journey. While these foods aren't a guaranteed cure, incorporating them into a balanced and healthy diet may contribute to reducing the risk of cancer. A balanced diet is one that gives your body the nutrients it needs to function correctly. It's not about rigid dietary restrictions or depriving yourself of the foods you love. Rather, it's about feeling great, having more energy, and maintaining a healthy weight. In the context of cancer prevention, a balanced diet involves consuming a variety of foods that are rich in nutrients, particularly lots of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. It's not just about adding these anti-cancer foods to your diet, but also about reducing intake of processed foods, red and processed meats, and sugary drinks, which are often linked to increased cancer risk. Regular exercise is another vital component of cancer prevention. Exercise helps maintain a healthy weight, which is essential as obesity can increase the risk of various types of cancer. It doesn't have to be anything overly strenuous. Simple activities like walking, cycling, or even gardening can go a long way in maintaining a healthy weight and reducing cancer risk. Beyond diet and exercise, maintaining a healthy lifestyle is crucial. This includes not smoking, limiting alcohol intake, protecting yourself from the sun, and getting regular health checkups. These lifestyle choices can significantly lower your risk of developing not only cancer, but also other health conditions. By adopting these healthy habits and incorporating our top 10 anti-cancer foods into your diet, you're taking a proactive stance against cancer. You're not just relying on the promise of a potential cure, but actively working towards prevention. It's about empowering yourself with knowledge and making conscious choices that contribute to your overall well-being. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. So let's harness the power of these anti-cancer foods and lead a healthier life. We've learned today about the power of certain foods in preventing and possibly aiding in the healing process of cancer. From the mighty cruciferous vegetables to the small but potent berries, each of these foods brings to the table a unique set of properties that can bolster our bodies in the fight against cancer. We've delved into how turmeric, the golden spice, is not just a culinary treasure but also a formidable ally in our health journey, with its active compound, curcumin, interfering with cancer cell growth. Garlic too makes its mark with the compound allicin, known for its anti-cancer effects. We've also discovered the soothing power of green tea and its rich antioxidant content, particularly catechins, that have been linked to a lower risk of various cancers. Fatty fish, such as salmon and mackerel, with their omega-3 fatty acids, have been associated with a reduced risk of certain cancers, and may even enhance the effectiveness of cancer treatments. Let's not forget the humble tomato, packed with lycopene, showing promise in reducing the risk of prostate cancer, and leafy greens like spinach and kale, protecting against various types of cancer. Nuts and seeds, too, with their nutrients, fiber, and healthy fats, play a role in reducing inflammation and decreasing the risk of certain cancers. And finally, certain types of mushrooms like shiitake and maitake slow the growth of tumors and enhance the immune system. While these foods are not a magic bullet against cancer, they are part of nature's arsenal that, when incorporated into a balanced and healthy diet, may help reduce the risk of cancer and support healing. It's important to remember that these foods work best in combination with a healthy lifestyle, including regular exercise, adequate sleep, and stress management. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, your health is your wealth. Stay healthy, stay happy, and we'll see you in the next video.